Welcome to Content Accessibility. In this video, we'll explore why making your content accessible matters and how it benefits both your audience and your reach. Accessibility means ensuring everyone, regardless of their abilities, can enjoy and understand your content. Accessibility is the practice of designing content so that people with disabilities can use it effectively. This includes individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing, blind or have low vision, have mobility challenges, or cognitive disabilities. When you make content accessible, you're opening doors for millions of potential viewers. Accessibility matters for several important reasons. First, it's about inclusion and equal opportunity for everyone to access information. Second, it expands your audience significantly. Third, search engines favor accessible content, boosting your SEO rankings. Finally, accessible content is simply better quality content that more people can benefit from. Many content creators overlook accessibility, which creates barriers for viewers with disabilities. Without captions, deaf viewers miss out. Without audio descriptions, blind viewers can't follow visual content. Without clear structure and simple language, people with cognitive disabilities struggle. This means you're losing potential audience members and missing opportunities for growth. Let's look at some important numbers. 1 billion people worldwide have some form of disability. In the United States alone, over 50 million people are deaf, blind, or have significant hearing or vision loss. Additionally, captions benefit not just deaf viewers, but also people watching in noisy environments or without sound. Accessibility reaches far beyond what you might initially think. There are several types of accessibility to consider. Visual accessibility includes captions and transcripts for deaf and hard of hearing viewers. Auditory accessibility means describing visual elements for blind and low vision viewers. Motor accessibility involves ensuring navigation is possible without a mouse. And cognitive accessibility means using clear language and simple structure for everyone to understand. Captions are text versions of all spoken words and sounds in your video. They're essential for deaf and hard of hearing viewers. Subtitles are similar but may not include sound descriptions. Captions should be accurate, synchronized with the audio, and easy to read. They also help viewers watching without sound and improve comprehension for non-native speakers. Transcripts are complete written versions of everything in your video, including spoken words, sound descriptions, and relevant context. Transcripts serve multiple purposes. They help deaf viewers, improve searchability of your content, allow people to quickly find specific information, and provide backup if videos don't load. Always provide full transcripts alongside your video content. Audio descriptions are narrated explanations of visual elements that blind and low vision viewers cannot see. These descriptions explain important actions, text on screen, scene changes, and visual details that are essential to understanding your content. Audio descriptions can be provided as a separate audio track or integrated into your main narration during silent moments. Color contrast is crucial for viewers with low vision or color blindness. Never rely on color alone to convey information. Always pair colors with text labels or patterns. Ensure sufficient contrast between text and background. Use a contrast ratio of at least 4.5:1 for normal text and 3:1 for large text. Test your colors with contrast checker tools to ensure accessibility. Here's how to implement accessibility in your content. Step 1. Add captions first. Start with closed captions on all video content using your platform. Step 2. Create transcripts. Generate complete transcripts and provide them alongside your content. Step 3. Review and test your content with accessibility tools and get feedback from users. Step 4. Iterate and improve continuously based on user feedback and accessibility standards. Making content accessible expands your audience reach dramatically. It improves your search engine ranking, helping more people discover your content. It increases user engagement because more people can fully understand and enjoy what you create. Start implementing these practices today. Make accessibility a priority in all your content creation. Every caption, transcript, and accessible design element brings you closer to creating truly inclusive content that reaches and impacts more people.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.